In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work with video editing by using Adobe Premiere. First, you can start a new project by going to the File menu and then choose New Project. Give a name to your project. I'm going to name it as Project 1 and set up the folder for your project. Once you are done, click on the Create button. Now we are going to import the assets that we are going to use in your project. You can start by going to the project panel and then right click and choose Import. Browse for your files. Click Open, and then all the assets will be displayed in the project panel. Besides video, let's import other media assets into your project. You can do this by going to File and then choose Import and select your other media files. Let's start composing our video by inserting video assets into the timeline panel. Go to the project panel and search for the video that you want. For example, I'm dragging this video into the timeline. Preview the video by clicking the play button. If you want to shorten the video, you can either choose the edge and drag it into a certain time frame that you want. You can click the video in the track and move it around. Use the playhead and then click play to keep reviewing. Let's add a couple more videos into the timeline. Use the slider to navigate around the timeline. You can even zoom in and zoom out by controlling the point on the slider. Here, you can view the larger portion of the video that you are composing. Keep on inserting more videos into the timeline. Use the razor tool from the tool panel to cut any parts from the video. Use the selection tool to select parts that you want to delete. To add some video transitions, go to the Effect panel and then find the Video Transition and then select an effect that you want. In this case, I'm choosing Dissolve, Film Dissolve, and then drag it between two videos in the track. The transition will be applied. You may add any other transition that you like between two videos. You may explore other transitions in the video transition list. You can even add image overlay by going to the project panel and then drag the image that you want into your track. Now we need to resize the image. Select the image and then go to Effect Control panel under the Motion Properties, find the scale properties and then scale it to the size that you want. The image is now resized and you may preview the output. Adjust the duration of the image. To apply a fade in and fade out effect to the image, go to the opacity properties and then move the slider to the beginning part of the image. Then click on Toggle Animation. Add a keyframe and then change the value to 0%. Move the slider to the middle part and then add another keyframe. Change the value to 100%. Again, add a keyframe before the end of the duration. Add a keyframe and leave it to 100%. At the end of the image, again, add a keyframe and then change the value to 0%. You may preview your output. Beside images, you can even also add video overlays. For example, let's drag this video into the top track. Again, you will need to scale the overlay video. To change the position, go to the position property and change the X and Y values. To add text overlay, move your playhead to another part of your video, for example here, and then click on the text tool in the toolbar. Type the text into the video. You can move it around, and then to change the font, go to the Effect Control. Under the text option, find the source text and font. Choose the font that you want to apply. And also change the size and other properties such as colors and stroke. Adjust how it should appear by going to the opacity property. Use the same technique that we practiced before. You may duplicate the text if you want to use it in another area of the video. Make changes to the content by clicking the text tool again and change the text. Now let's insert a green screen video into our project. To remove the green screen, go to the Effect panel and then search for Video Effects. Find the key or folder and then select Color Key. Drag the Color Key effect to the footage that you want to apply the green screen effect. Go to the Color Key property and then use the eyedropper to select the color from the footage. Adjust the color tolerance. And also the edge thin. Preview the output. Let's animate the position of this clip by going to the motion property, and then you have to move the slider to the first part of the clip, toggle, and then change the position. At the middle part of the video, make sure the picture appears. And the add part of footage, move it out to the screen. Preview your output. To remove an audio from a video, select the footage and then right-click and choose Unlink. Delete the audio. Finally, let's add a background music to this video. Go back to your project panel and search for a background music. Drag it to the audio track and then use the razor tool to cut the unwanted parts. Preview your output. can finally export your work by going to the File, Export, Media, and then give a name for your file. Make sure you are saving it into the folder that you want, and then click Export. Now upload your video in any video sharing websites. Thank you for watching.